Welcome back to today's video. Today we are doing another apartment hunting video. In our previous video, we found apartments between the $500 to $1,000 range throughout New York City, and today we are doing $1,000 to $1,500 in New York City. So it looks like we have a lot more options. As you know, New York City is pretty expensive. So if you want to see what we got in our previous video, we will link that below and have it at the end screens. So make sure to watch till the end. Our first spot is right here, and it was only posted 1 day ago. So it looks like we might have some good pictures. All right, not too bad. It is $1,140 a month, and it is a studio. So let's check out what we have here. So this looks like the living space, and I believe this might be the main entrance. All right, pretty cool. Nice photo. All right, so here we have the kitchen area. Great cabinets and fridge, stove. Looks like it may come all included. Here we have our bathroom. Very nice. All right, so it looks like here might be the bedroom connected to the bathroom over here with your closet. Pretty cool. And here's, oh, I guess this would be the main entrance. All right, so possibly this is maybe a closet or something. All right, not bad. 1,140. Also comment below if you are from New York City and if this looks like a common price range for something you would get. All right, so this looks pretty cool. Let's check out the neighborhood really quickly. So walk score, ooh, so it looks like you're really gonna need a car, and also bike score is kind of low as well. Okay, so might be more in a residential space, and it is on Staten Island right here. All right, so we got this one, which is $1,200. It's a studio, and it was only posted like 2 days ago or a few days ago. All right, so here's our first image. Okay, looks nice and bright, very much appreciated. Ooh, all right, so here is your space. All right, bedroom, nice layout, nice program for the layout. All right, so here's kind of like your washroom-ish door. And then it looks like a communal bathroom. All right, and the shower here. See, now this is what I was kind of looking for when we say New York City. Staten Island had it really nice for 1,100. All right, so this is, all right, this is what we get. And let's check out the neighborhood more specifically. Oh, wow, so it's very close to like major essentials like banks, probably some grocery stores, and all of that. So okay, pretty cool. All right, so this is this is in Brooklyn. All right, so this is, let's take a look at the first one. It's 1,200, and you only get 2 pictures. All right, so very interesting. Okay, so studio. It looks like a good space right here, and I believe this is your bathroom right here. So at least you do get your own bathroom in this space. Okay, with the ones we've seen so far, comment below which one you think is good for the area and amount of space and the price. Don't forget to check out our previous video where we saw apartments between $500 and $1,000. Also comment below if there is a specific location you want to check out. We can possibly do a video right in that area.